This quick video will show you exactly how to crop any photo into a circle using Canva. This is a very easy process. It is 100% free and it only takes a few seconds to do. Make sure you follow every step carefully and watch until the end so you don't make any mistakes. First, let's go to canva.com. This is my homepage. From here, you can either start a brand new design or open an existing project. It works both ways. For this video, I will create a simple square design as an example. Now, I want to turn my square logo into a circle. You can do this with a photo of a person, a product, or anything else. Since my logo is already in the upload section, I'll just search for App Tutor. As you can see, the original image is a square, and we want to change that shape. To start, look at the left side of your screen and click on the Elements section. In the search bar at the top, type the word circle and press Enter. You will see many results, but you need to scroll down until you see the section called Frames. This is the most important part because a frame acts like a window that reshapes your photo. I'm going to pick the basic round circle frame. Once the frame is on your screen, just grab your photo and drag it right on top of that circle. It will automatically snap inside. If the photo isn't centered, just double click it. Now you can use the crop tool to zoom in or move the image around until it looks perfect inside the circle. Finally, let's save it correctly. This is where many people make a mistake. If you just download it normally as a JPG, Canva will give you a square image with white corners. To get a true circle that you can use on any other background, go to Share and then Download. Make sure the file type is set to PNG. Then, you must check the box that says Transparent Background. By selecting this, Canva removes those white corners completely. Now, when you upload this logo to a website or another video, it will be a perfect, clean circle with no background at all.